Now at 11, a major decision today by the U.S. Supreme Court. In a 6-3 vote, the justices ruled that injunctions issued by federal judges to block presidential orders no longer apply nationwide. It's a complicated issue, so 10 TV's Carly Dion spoke with two experts to explain what this means. Carly?
Yolanda, what's interesting about this is that there still isn't a ruling from the Supreme Court on birthright citizenship. But the legal experts I spoke to explain what today's ruling now impacts moving forward.
It really just depends on who's president, what you think about nationwide injunctions.
The Supreme Court limiting the power of federal judges across the country who previously had the ability to stop policies implemented by the president through injunctions.
Of course, Trump doesn't like them, but Biden didn't like them either when he was president.
Previously, if a federal judge in any state issued an injunction against a presidential order, it took effect nationwide.
A federal judge in Maryland's decision is impacting people in Montana, the state of Washington, California.
But now those powers are restricted.
If an injunction comes out of Ohio, that injunction has to be narrowly tailored to impact the people that are in front of the judge versus everybody in the United States of America.
This all dates back to an executive order issued by President Trump in January, which directed federal agencies to stop granting automatic U.S. citizenship to babies born in America whose parents are not citizens or are non-permanent residents. Since then, 22 states brought forward legal challenges against that order, leading to today's ruling, which still does not directly address the issue.
This is really messy. We don't know anything about what's happening in birthright citizenship as a result of today's decision.
Now, the wait continues for the Supreme Court to ultimately rule whether birthright citizenship is constitutional or not.
Most legal experts, including me, believe that the Supreme Court will eventually conclude that birthright citizenship is guaranteed by the 14th Amendment and that the Trump administration had no grounds for trying to eliminate birthright citizenship.
The Trump administration says agencies have 30 days to issue public guidance regarding the end to birthright citizenship, which also now allows for more challenges to be filed in court. Carly Dion, 10 TV News.